automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. With my body so melodic, this beat rolls right through my chest. Everybody, Martin, Poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body, let me see you 1, 2, step. Rock it, don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Break the party up, we about to get it on. Let me see you 1, 2, step. I love it when you 1, 2, step. Everybody 1, 2, step. We about to get it on. Outrageous, so contagious, make you crave it. Jazzy made, so retarded, top charted. Ever since the day I started, strut my stuff and yes I flaunt it. Goodies make the boys jump on it. No, I can't control myself now. Let me do my 1, 2, step. Rock it, don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Break the party up, we about to get it on. Let me see you 1, 2, step. I love it when you 1, 2, step. Everybody 1, 2, step. We about to get it on. Don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Break the party up, we about to get it on. Let me see you 1, 2, step. I love it when you 1, 2, step. Everybody 1, 2, step. We about to get it on. Like this.
Great MCs, but they ain't got nothing on me. Because I'm 5 for 2, I wanna dance with you, and I'm sophisticated fun. I keep feeling me on, and I'm nice and young, but believe I'm number 1. Rock it, don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Break the party up, we about to get it on. Let me see you 1, 2, step. I love it when you 1, 2, step. Everybody 1, 2, step.
Can't sit back and let this moment slip away, 'cause I got my eye on you. I see you looking over your shoulder. Let me make my way over. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? Your body looking right, you're the type I like and I'm pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and exchange names and things before the night is over? All I really want is for you to back it up, go and put your weight on it, 'cause it's alright. Do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see you in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it. In it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it. I guess sit back and let the night just drift away. So baby, what you gon' do? 'Cause I don't wanna lose it. Come on, keep it moving. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? You better look right, you're the type I like and I'm pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and exchange names and things before the night is over? All I really want is for you to back it up, go and put your weight on it, 'cause it's alright. Do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see you in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it. out to play. Nothing more that I hate in this life. The wrong impression, I only have one to make. You can open your palm, waiting to catch a break. The cards will fall where they may. And what about me?
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I am doing a review for Allie Grace hair. So shout out to Allie Grace for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. So it's been a minute since I've done like a copper vibe or any type of like orangey hair like this. And I always love this type of hair on me. But I hate when I have to do it myself. I'm gonna be honest, like I never like doing it myself because I feel like sometimes it doesn't always come out as even as I want to, and it's a very tedious job, to be honest. Like to bleach the hair and then to dye the hair, it's just doing too much. But when you have something like this that's just already ready to go for you, it's just a no-brainer, and it's definitely a must-have around this time of the year. If you haven't tried any hair like this before and you're kind of scared to like get into color, I think this is the perfect color to get into because it's safe. It works for everybody, for all skin tones, no matter what skin tone you are. This definitely will work for you. And I love the fact that this is a closure unit, so it's gonna be very quick and easy to apply, especially if you are on the go and you need something to just throw on real quick and still make a statement. So I will also say this is a 24-inch unit, you guys. This unit is very, very long. I did cut a little bit off of the ends. At the moment, you can kind of tell like I cut it just a little bit, not too much because I didn't want to cut too much of the length off. Same thing on this side, I did cut it a little bit, but not too much. Also, in the very, very front, you guys notice that I did cut a little bit of layering here, nothing too crazy, just so that I can hit perfectly like that. You get what I'm saying? So if you want to, you can like actually curl the hair and then have it all going back. Now I do want to like add barrel curls to this. I also wanted to like crimp this hair. I think crimping this hair would be so bomb. So I might do like a separate like get ready with me video and show you guys what this hair looks like crimped. But I really, really do like this hair and this color on me. And I know a lot of you guys love copper hair. One thing that I really like about this hair though is how like silky it is. Like look at that. Just smooth, silky, no problems whatsoever. Same thing on this side. It's not a bunch of hair shedding all over the place. You don't see any hair falling out. Like I just absolutely love it. The other thing that I liked about this unit is the fact that it didn't have like a really strong smell to it. But I would always suggest like anytime you get a unit, make sure that you wash the hair, okay? Don't like get a unit straight from the box and like apply it. I highly suggest that you always wash your units just because they are coming from out of the country half of the time. You know, you just want to make sure that you're like cleaning it properly and making, and especially when you have like color like this. I know a lot of people like to use like hot water. If you are gonna wash your hair and you do have this unit, I would suggest using like lukewarm to cold water. Hot water will cause the color to bleed out of the hair. I did have like some bleeding when I was like washing this hair. Nothing too crazy because I already knew not to use hot water. So it was just a little bit. So that's the reason why I just want to put that out there. Just make sure that you wash it with like lukewarm to cold water and you'll be pretty much good to go. But yeah, you guys, today's look is just very simple. It's nothing too crazy. I just really, really like this color. I've been wanting to try this color out. I am gonna style it like a different type of way, but I just wanted to show you guys the vibes, show you guys another cute unit that you guys can possibly like look into for this time of year, especially if you are of my skin tone or of a deeper complexion, you know what I mean? Now you guys can see what this color looks like on us here, you guys. So I'm gonna also come up close so you guys can see what the lace and everything is looking like. So I didn't put any foundation or anything like that on my lace. The only thing that I put on my lace is concealer, and that was in my part just to like help it show a little bit more. I kind of feel like I probably should put a little bit more concealer on because you can't really tell, you know, you can't really see it like as much, or at least as much as I would want you to see it. But one thing that you can also do in cases like this, when you have like colored hair, you can go ahead and pluck your part and then put your concealer, and then it'll help it define a lot better. But because I still have some hair like in the part, when you put the concealer on, it kind of like goes on top of the hair, so you can easily like rub that off. But that's just one of the things. And speaking of the lace and everything, I did not bleach the knots in this unit. So if you guys are wondering, did I bleach the knots? As far as like customizing, I didn't do too much customizing to this unit. However, I did pluck the unit and then I just washed it per usual, but other than that, I didn't like do too much else to the actual like lace. This is the finished look though. If you guys like this look, make sure you let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up, and of course make sure you drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Have you ever tried Allie Gray's hair before? If you have, let me know what your experience was. I absolutely love their hair, and I really do like this unit. I think it's definitely worth looking into, especially if you are looking for a ginger copper type of unit. Thank you to Allie Gray's for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. And of course, thank all of you guys for stopping by on my channel to show me so much love and support and watch yet another hair tutorial. I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.